For the second consecutive day, hundreds of BJP workers protested outside the party headquarters in Kolkata's Hastings area, expressing displeasure over the selection of candidates. Senior party leaders Shiv Prakash, Mukul Roy, and Arjun Singh were heckled by a section of irate party workers who were demanding change in party candidates of several assembly seats. Angry party workers even tried to break into the party office, but was stopped by police. In Hooghly district, party workers went on a rampage and vandalized the district BJP office. Workers revolted against party candidates Lokit Chatterjee from Chuchura, Shomiron Mitro from Haripal, former TNC leaders Rabindranath Bhattacharya, who has been nominated from Shingur, and Probir Ghoshal from Uttarpara. At a rally in Bankura, West Bengal, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee launched a scathing attack on the Bharatiya Janata Party and alleged that there is a plot to kill her. She went on to blame the Election Commission of India for having a bias towards the Saffron Party and covering up their actions. Former Minister and AIADMK candidate from Natham constituency, R. Vishwanathan, was allegedly caught on camera distributing cash to voters. In a video of the alleged act, Vishwanathan is purportedly seen taking out currency notes from his pocket and distributing them to voters. In the first half of the video, a group of women is seen standing in a row and an alleged AIADMK cadre appears in the frame, putting currency notes on each of their plates. Dindigul District Collector M. Vijay Lakshmi said the officials concerned have been directed to look into the complaint filed against the former minister at Natham police station by EC's video surveillance team. Bodo Party UPPL, which is in alliance with the BJP, has released names of candidates for 8 constituencies in the Bodo territorial region, which will go to polls in the third phase. Jailed peasant leader Akhil Gogoi's Raijor has released candidate list for the third phase. Bodoland People's Front, ex-ally of the BJP, which has now joined the Congress-led Mahajot Grand Alliance, released its list of 8 candidates for the third phase of the election. In a recent development, the mother of 2 daughters who were allegedly sexually abused and found dead at Walayar in Palakkad, Kerala in 2017 has come up with a decision to contest against State Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan from the Dharmadhom constituency in Kannur. R. Bala Shankar, former editor of the RSS Mouthpiece Organizer, said a deal has been struck between the BJP and the CPM in Chenkannur constituency. He was expected to be the BJP candidate there, but his name was missing in the list announced by the central leadership.